Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this settings bar and pick the button with 3 and 4, so this is our aspect ratio, and 3 and 4 here is also available with 48 megapixels, the best possible quality of this camera, so this is the way to get access to it. Another tap and let's move to 9 and 16 aspect ratio. As you can see, the background now has changed to the longer one. And when we pick this button once again, we can move to 1 and 1, the square one. Another tap and let's move to full. So now we can see the full camera frame. And of course, when we pick this button once again, we can go to whatever we need. Now let me go back to 3 and 4, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.